So it is report card time. And what that means for me is that nothing gets done for almost a month in the house, particularly the fridge. So yesterday I decided I better start cleaning it because there's stuff in there that it's probably been there 2-3 months easily because and so I started cleaning yesterday, but forgot to turn on a camera. So it's actually looking good. I put some of them back in there. So this is not an authentic looking fridge because, like I said, cleaned it, started to clean it, almost filled the organic bin. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. I got lots of cans over there. I've still got more cans in there, but I don't normally put candy in there. I've got nothing to hide. It's just me. So the question is, how much do we hide in the back of our lives, hoping that we'll get to it later? The fridge can be a real reflection of our inner lives. Cluttered, full of expired things, maybe a few sweet secrets hiding in the veggie drawer. But God is not a God of confusion. God is a God of peace. Sometimes what's inside our fridge isn't just old food. It's old guilt, old habits, and old thoughts that we've buried deep behind the stale pops. Just like we desire to have organized, clean fridges, I truly believe God desires for us to declutter and clean our lives. Psalm 139 says, "Search me, O God, and know my inner thoughts." There is nothing that we can think, say, or do that is a shock to God. Can you imagine? Whoa, didn't see that coming. You know? But often we kind of hold on to them, hoping they might go away. Sometimes we just need to grab it, shake it, and toss it. Sometimes we just need to confess it, admit that we have this issue, and give it up, let it go. Give it to God. It's as easy as that. But it's this belief that Jesus' blood that was shed on the cross covers that multitude of sins that we have. Little, big, all of them. He died on that cross once and for all. And so the things that we do, Jesus became our propitiation so that we can come with confidence to the throne of God and say, I've messed up, but I thank you that Jesus paid the price for my sin. And we can get those things that have sat and buried themselves in our lives far too long. We can just get them out of there. We can just get them out. It starts with admitting it, confessing it, releasing it. Let's clean up our lives so that we have more room for God. Wherever you are, know this: God sees you, God loves you, and He desires to spend each and every day with you. I'll see you in the next video.